This video is to help you use the pelvic floor prop. So you're going to place the pelvic floor prop lengthwise on a chair, rounded side up, as shown here. Does the pressure feel comfortable? If the answer is yes, you're ready to go. If it's no, you could turn the pelvic floor prop upside down with the flatter side up. Does this feel comfortable? If the answer is yes, then you can move on. If the answer is no, another suggestion is to place small towels on both sides of the pelvic floor prop for support. Basic posture. Slowly explore moving your pelvis forward and back. Gently shift your body weight to left and right sit bones, and then find your centered, balanced position. Imagine a central axis inside your body that connects the center of your pelvic floor and the top of your head. Natural breathing and soft squeeze. Breathe naturally while feeling the pelvic floor muscles expand and contract. Try to breathe in and relax your pelvic floor muscles, and breathe out, gently lift and squeeze the pelvic floor muscles. Repeat this natural breathing and soft squeeze. Sitting tree. Place your palms together in front of your chest. Inhale deeply, exhale, lift and softly squeeze your pelvic floor muscles, pressing your arms above your head. Inhale deeply, exhale, lift and softly squeeze your pelvic floor muscles again, pulling your palms down in front of your chest. Repeat the breathing and arm movements for 30 seconds at your own pace. Synchronize your inhaling and exhaling with the pelvic floor muscle expansion and contraction. Sitting bird wing. Inhale and reach arms above your head into a V, keeping aware of shoulder blade positioning. Exhale, lift and softly squeeze pelvic floor muscles, pulling your elbows down by your sides and pressing the palms away. Repeat the breathing and arm movements for 30 seconds at your own pace. Twisted breath. Inhale deeply, exhale, and lift and softly squeeze the pelvic floor muscles, rotating the torso to the right. While rotated around your central axis, perform abdominal breathing 3 to 6 times. Inhale and return to center. Exhale, lift, and softly squeeze the pelvic floor muscles, rotating the torso to the left. Again, while rotated around your central axis, perform abdominal breathing 3 to 6 times, and then inhale and return to center. And last, open elbows. Place your fingertips behind your head and reach elbows wide to the sides. As you inhale, relax the pelvic floor muscles, feeling expansion of the breath. Exhale, lift and softly squeeze the pelvic floor muscles, pressing your elbows backwards. Repeat the breathing and arm movements for 30 seconds. Synchronize the inhaling and exhaling with pelvic floor muscle expansion and contraction.